Billionaire signs, money lines, wealth lines. How you will be able to accumulate the wealth, whether there are some significant signs and lines that is there in your hand or not, which signifies many things, which says many things about your personality, about your achievement and success. Whether that you have in your life or not, I am going to explain that in this video. Om Ganeshaya Namah, Bhagavan Shri Satyasvabhaya Namah, Suryaya Namah, Shanishwaraya Namah. Viewers, welcome to my YouTube family. My name is Astrologer Dr. Sai Subhajit. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then I would request you to subscribe, like it, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you always get the future notification of my videos. Now, when I say billionaire or millionaire lines, it doesn't mean that without hard work it will achieve. You will be able to achieve. Hard work is very important. The signs and lines that I am going to discuss now signifies that lots of wealth, accumulation of wealth, inheritance property, and also something that you can do independently and achieve the ambition, desire, and the wealth status in your life. But this sign only staying in your hand doesn't mean that you will be rich. You have to do the karma, means the action, hard work, then only it will be possible to achieve that. So I am going to discuss now regarding the money lines that can be there, and these lines that I am going to discuss is a little bit different than the other videos because these signs rarely I have discussed, and this is one of my new findings that I have got in numerous rich people hand, and that signifies that this will be able to give you a very good success. Now, first of all, as you know, the Jupiter is responsible for our success, for our money. As you know, this is the mount of Jupiter. So in this mount of Jupiter, whenever there is a star-like formation, generally it always gives a very good success all through the life. Till the star is there, it will definitely give you a very good success, very good independent success, very good success from your leadership, managerial skills, because of your cleverness, because of your quality to do things, because of the knowledge that you have in the domain. So it will definitely give you a very good success only when you have a star prominent with at least 6 lines like this. This is 4 lines, four lines, right? Okay, and this is the 6 lines. So this 6 at least should be there. It can be 8 also, but without 8 also it is also possible that you will get success, but at least 6 should be there to achieve a success. Now, whenever the star is there, people might say that they will get lottery, they will get money instantly. No, it's not like that you will get the money instantly. You have to wait some time, you have to do the hard work to achieve that, but that star will give you the boost, will enhance the power of the Jupiter planet. So that will make you able to reach that position, because whenever the star is there in the mount of Jupiter, it always enhances the quality of your skill, enhances the ambition, the desires in your life. It will increase the desires. So definitely you will get a very good success when the star is there. Now, when star is there, then also means that worldwide name and fame can be achieved in one's life, and that name and fame is international. Now, that can come from various sectors. For that also we need to check many other lines also, whether the foreign journey, foreign related things will give us the success in our life or not. So that will be a different thing, but at least when this is there, that means you will get a very good success in your life because of your own effort, because of your own combination of the things that you have. You will get a very good success in your life because of the achievement that you can get because of this star. Now, whenever the star is there in this mount, it reflects lots of money, not only a small money, lots of money in your life. Now, this star I have discussed in numerous videos the significance. Now, this star will get more boost to life when you have any progressive line like this. So this progressive line, okay, I'll use the different color for that. So this progressive line means achievement because of certain opportunities that you will grab in your life, and that will change your life totally. So this progressive line can start from mind line or from the lifeline. anything is okay, that is not a problem, but that should be very much prominent without any disturbances like this like this. It's not like that. Although whenever it is forming like other cross, it also signifies something different, but because of this it enhances the quality. The reason is that the progressive lines means progress because of certain achievement, because of certain opportunity you will grab, or because of certain decision you will make in your life, and that will change your life totally. When star is there, I would say that that person definitely can be billionaire in their life. Definitely it is a billionaire sign, gain through lottery, gain through business ideas that the native have, that the person have. Let's see what happens to me also after 10 years, because I also has a star in my hand. So let's see and compare after 10 years or 5 years what achievement that I can get. I will give you one example, like whatever the education that I have got in my life because of the foreign benefit, foreign journey, is one of the reason that star is there. So that is one of the practical thing that I have. Maybe in some day, after some years or some months later, I will show my hand also to you, so that you get the confident that this science definitely work. Actually it works, whether anyone believes or not. So I'll definitely make a video after some years regarding my achievement, but let's see what star is there. But definitely star has given me a lots of benefit in my life because of a good knowledge that I got in because of the education, and also the foreign benefit that I got. Maybe all God's grace. Definitely Jupiter represents the God's grace also, because without God's blessings Jupiter cannot give a very good result. Of course Jupiter will give you a very good result only when the prominent mount is there. So this mount should be prominent enough to get an entire benefit. So you should definitely be very lucky whenever you have this Jupiter mount very prominent with a star and progressive line. Now after this we will discuss regarding the some other lines which relates to business mostly, and because of our creativity, because of our ideas that we have in our life, we get success. As you know, this is the mind line. It's very common and a very important line. People generally neglect to see whether how much prominent, how much better the mind line or the headline is, because it gives the characteristics of our life. It says how our life is going to be, how our thoughts, how our deeds, what our action, what our decision making power will give because of this mind line. Now if the mind line is prominent, very good enough, then only it says lots of things about the characteristics of any person, because what we say, what we do is also responsible for our mind line. Generally in most of the videos people generally not asking regarding the mind line, but it's very important line. Now this important line can also give a lots of wealth, can also make you very wealthy like a billionaire. Now why and how? First of all, this line can have a branch like this, upward branch. Downward is also okay. I'll discuss in some other video what is the meaning of downward, and also I have done branches of lines also because of the headline that also signifies many things. Now this branch is very good whenever it is going upward. The upward line signifies and gives very good benefit because of a good characteristics of the Mercury, because this is the Mercury mount and it is pointing towards that. I have told in numerous videos whatever the lines and signs that is there in your hand, whatever the line, suppose like a triangle, suppose any fish triangle, fish is there, I am just giving one example, and it is pointing towards the mount of Mercury. It has a different meaning. When it is pointing towards the mount of Sun, it has a different meaning. When it is pointing to Jupiter, it has a different meaning. Saturn, different meaning. So many things have to be considered while analyzing the hand. So this is one of the things that I want to say. Now this upward line will give you very good boost, very good encouragement, very good smart skills, very good creativity, ideas, and that ideas will turn to give you the opportunities. Now when you will get the opportunities, to enhance that, to utilize that, at that time you, because of your independent thoughts, because of your independent work, you will get a very good success when this upward branch of the headline is pointing towards the Mount of Mercury. Now this branch can also point towards the Mount of Sun, although the meaning remains almost the same but a little bit of different meaning, but in general that is very rare to see upward line pointing towards the Mount of Sun. So that is quite rare, so I will not discuss here. Maybe if anyone have that, you can just comment in the inbox, I will try to explain that, or maybe I will make another video for that. I will try for that. Now whenever this line is there, also it says that you are very smart and clever and very intelligent. So that signifies that because of your independent nature, because of the creative skill that you have, you will be able to earn very good name and fame, very good success, and wealth will come lots of wealth will come to your life because of this upward line that is there in your hand. Now this sign also means that right time, right opportunity you will get, and you will be able to achieve because of you will grab that, you will grab the right opportunity, right time, and you will be successful because of that. Now what about the next sign is the very important and a very significant line that people generally have. Generally in my next video what I am going to discuss, only 5% people have that lines. Also out of that, one of this line is also mean that you will be very good billionaire, very good wealthy in your life because of your achievement. Now as you know, this is the fate line. Now this fate line can start from the Mount of Ketu or Mount of Moon or from here. Anything is okay, that is not a problem. Now what I mean to say, what I am going to discuss here is not the fate line. Fate line should be there irrespective of whatever the nature it is. Now apart from the fate line, what I want to say is any line that is coming out of the middle of the hand or middle of the palm and going to the Mount of Mercury, like this. As you can see, this is also called a business line, this is also called a hepatica line, this is also called a Mercury line or entrepreneur and successful line. The reason is that you can see this, this is the point of contact of the fate line. So generally the hepatica line can also start from the lifeline. That has a different meaning but quite similar. Now whenever this type of line is there, that means that you are born to be an entrepreneur, you are born to be a very good successful businessman, you are born to be a billionaire because of the ideas, because of the business you want to do and you want to pursue. So that will definitely give you a very good success in your life because of this line. This line should not be disturbed anyway, and it should not have a broken line. Like suppose if this line can be, suppose I am just giving one example, like this, should not be like this, or maybe like this, it should not be like that. It should be very much prominent, then only it will give you a very good success. Sometime there can be some broken here, it is okay sometime, but the thing is that you need to boost that significant planet where it has a little bit of gap or disturbances, then only that limitation will be minimized because of boosting the planet. It is very important to boost the planet to get a desired result, because things will be very favorable once it has a very good prominent, very good nature of the line. It is definitely will give you very good wealth, lots of wealth in your life because of a very good independent line that you have. It is a sign of success, super success, because business is responsible for Mercury. Without Mercury you cannot do any business, because whatever the communication, whatever the impressive quality that we have, whatever we see, deal with the things, is responsible for Mercury. One of the most important planet for doing a business specifically is the Mercury. Now if anyone is doing a job, that is different thing. Now person having this line generally a business minded person. The reason is that generally whenever this line is there with a prominent sun line, generally people, it has been seen with the people's hand that they are in a business or maybe they are in a job and business together. Because of certain lines we need to check for that, but it is quite sure and quite with surety we can say that business will attract them, business will give them peace of mind, business will give you the satisfaction. So the ambitions, the desires will be fulfilled only when it has a very good prominency of the Mercury line or the business line that I am talking about. Now you will be able to get a very good entrepreneur also. You will be able to do that once with your ideas. Now why it has so much significance? Because you can see when it is coming out of the suppose when it is coming out of this line, the fate line is also going like this, and also the mind line is also doing like this. So this is the money triangles is also forming. So money triangle also means that you will get a very good success because of the money flow in your life. Money flow will never stop when the money triangle is there. The bigger the triangle, the more is the benefit. So that is one of the significant. I'll tell more elaborately of the money triangle, and also in my previous videos also I have made lots of videos regarding the money triangle. So you can just check that. So that also signifies that because of the mind line that is also there, suppose this is the line. So because of this is attached with the hepatical line. So you may say that this is forming like a cross here. It's not a cross. It is good only. Sometimes it has a very good benefit, because whenever the suppose whenever the mind line is going like here, it has a positive and negative both the impact. But speaking with the money flow, definitely you will have a very good money flow when you have this type of signs in your hand. Now I'll try to end the video soon, so because you will be able to check in other videos the significance. Now as you know, this is the fate line. Now fate line is also called a Saturn line because it goes to the mount of Saturn, because Saturn is related to our spirituality, related to our discipline, related to our success, related to our old age, related to our science and technology research, many things. Now fate line is very important because it gives the smoothness in life. Now many people has a triangle like this. This triangle can be anywhere. Generally this triangle in the fate line generally boosts that fate line energy, will give you more opportunity in the specific time period, at that time period of the triangle that is formed, and it will give you lots of success because of the triangle. Because triangle also means own effort, success because of the own independent things in your life will definitely be able to achieve because of the achievement. So that is very good sign. Now triangle can be anywhere. Triangle anywhere is always good. Anywhere, it can be anywhere, whether it is in the Sun, Saturn, Mercury, Jupiter, anywhere is good. Now in the fate line, it also makes you a billionaire opportunity will be coming to your life. The reason is that although billionaire term is a very big one, 1000 million equals to 1 billion, as you already know, it's very tough word to say, billionaire. But of course accumulation of wealth in a bigger amount. Suppose you have a ambition to reach 100 of thousand, but you will be able to reach 100 times more than what you can or what you have thought, because that ability and capability of your sign increases. It boosts that mount. Suppose the triangle is in the mount of Sun, so it will definitely give a very good name and fame, success, because of your education, because of your cleverness, because of the name and fame and the work you will do. There are lots of benefit of this triangle. Now when it is in the fate line, definitely it will give you a very good success in your life. So this is all about the billionaire signs, accumulation sign of wealth. And if you have this type of signs, I want to summarize it very shortly so that you will be able to understand it more clearly. Now as I have told, star with a progressive line 1, mind line with a upward line 1, second, third is the hypertical line, fourth is the fate line or the triangle. The triangle can be anywhere. I don't want to mean to say that the triangle will only be in the Fat line, it can be anywhere. A little bit of change of the description and the explanation will be different because of the triangle in a different mount, but it will definitely give you a very, very good success, and definitely you will be very wealthy in your life without any doubt. As also I have defined similar type of lines. Let's see where I can go ahead and where I can reach. And definitely if you have this, and all the rich people in the life, whatever the palm pictures I have seen and the analysis that I have seen in the last 18 years, I can definitely say they are a multimillionaire, billionaire because of a certain science that I have discussed now. If you have similar type of hand, then you, without any doubt, you can be a very wealthy. I can guarantee you, if you have a similar type of lines, then you are on the way to be a next multimillionaire without any doubt. So hope this video will be helpful to you. You will share with your friends and definitely comment on the YouTube inbox. If you have any doubt, I'll try to reply. Also, if you want a paid consultation from me, then you are always welcome to contact me. Contact details are given in the description box. You can WhatsApp, email me also. Now, before I end this video, I want to request you that if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe, like, and press the bell icon so that you always get the future notification of my videos, and so that you always get the videos update notification and you don't miss any of that. Stay happy, stay fit. Thank you.